When support structures are the problem, it's time for a different approach. Let us introduce SLS Selective Laser Sintering, a way to build complex parts without the need for support structures. In SLS, we use powder to build parts. We carefully choose the right material for the job, load it into the printer, and begin printing. A thin layer of powder spreads across the build plate. Then a high-powered laser scans the surface and fuses the powder where the part should be. The platform lowers and another powder layer is added. The laser fuses again, repeating the process until the part is complete. And since the powder around the part stays in place during printing, it acts as natural support. That means you can build interlocking parts and print-in-place assemblies without designing supports. With SLS, you can also pack multiple parts into a single build, so you get more output per run. Formlab's Fuse 1 Plus 30W is now available at U3DP for SLS printing. Subscribe for more 3D printing tips and comment what you want to build next.